What's up guys, it's Dirty Carpet and today I'm playing Zombie Rush with the one and only Super Scrubs.
Super Scrubs!
What?
That's so weird.
The one and only Super
Now I
Scrubs.
Super Scrubs! Yeah, no. And we're playing Zombie Rush,
Yeah, I already said that.
right?
I
Okay.
hate when people
No,
be
but what if they
zombie.
didn't hear?
Someone,
What if they heard my awesome Super Scrubs intro and they didn't hear your when you were talking?
oh well. My
Yeah.
weapons. I have a shotgun and a baton. You're about to get
I
wrecked
should
by
have
my
stayed with my
baton.
pistol.
Why?
We should have stayed with our pistols. The pistol's better. It's better. This thing goes so slow.
I know. It does.
Alright, so guys, we're on a higher level because we just played this for my channel, but his video's gonna go first because I have other videos I can upload.
What is this trash?
There's that.
This is so trash. The shotgun is only
I know,
good.
right?
It's
This
only
is
good for
trash.
like.
Kobe, why'd you bring it up towards you?
The shotgun is only good if like
Dumb
there's a
peasant.
pack of zombies. Oh my goodness, they're going up.
Yeah.
It's only good if like you have a pack coming toward you.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't like it. I like the pistol better.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
whoa!
there's a.
We can't just change my round. We have to wait till next round. I need to get to level 15 so I can get the submachine gun so I could go faster. Get him! We're getting wrecked.
I haven't lost.
Why aren't they dying? Oh! Help this guy, I repeat. Bam!
Oh, get wrecked, he went flying. I see
Oh!
Scrubs. I'm bringing the zombies up, huh? Oh no!
No,
There's
I'm
one
looking
with
at
the
the shop
hammer.
part.
There's one with a hammer.
A hammer, or so like, so if they have a cool weapon, is that they are
They
an
died.
actual player respawning as a zombie. I'm
Oh.
coming towards you, Dirty Carpet. I'll save you.
Oh my goodness, the freaking shotgun sucks.
I know, right? Oh well, this is like the slowest thing ever.
I know. We should have stayed
I want
with
to
the
be able to
pistol.
spam. And if you hear our mouse clicks, it's because we have to click.
It's
when
not
we
that
have
bad
to
right
shoot.
now. Because like, you know,
Because we have a shotgun that
it's
shoots
so
like
trash.
I don't know like all those bullets like every 10 seconds or something. Takes a while. What I'm trying to say. It's goes slow.
Yeah.
I have a phantom skeleton and a big giant silver one chasing
I
me.
have like a pack.
These are like tanks. Oh yeah, I see you. You're bringing him to up here too. Up you.
Oh no.
Oh, that's bad. I'm coming. I'm here to back you up. Watch out.
This would be so easy if
Jump
I had a
those guys.
freaking pistol. I'm good. No.
Oh, now they're chasing me. Dumb peasants, get out of here. Oh, I'm getting chewed on. Watch out.
I'm getting
We're at
wrecked by
wave
an
5.
amethyst then.
I'm out of here. Why are we only staying here? We should probably go somewhere else instead of here. The same
Jump
place.
down. Oh. Juke the
Oh,
zombies.
oh no. Freaking dumb peasants, get out of here. There's so many.
You have a
Can I
whole
go to the
pack.
UFO? Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh my god.
Look at me!
They were calling again. Oh, there's a huge pack.
That was following me. Oh, they're calling me.
I
Stop
know they
calling me.
did.
If
I'm
you hear
shooting
that,
from
I'm
like the
sorry.
weirdest angle ever.
Come over here where I'm going. I'll come and try and save you a little bit. Try to shoot.
Look at my. Y'all could see like what angle I'm shooting from. Like it's the worst. That's how desperate I am. I'm trying to stay alive.
Oh my god, they're calling me and I can't do anything about it because I don't have my phone right now. Not on me. I have it
My
over
phone's
there in
like
my
nearly
bed.
about to
No, not
die.
next to my bed. I'm coming.
I'm like literally dead right now. There's
I'm
no
at 90
way.
health. I'm doing good. Oh, you are dead. You're gonna die. I'm sorry.
No
I'm
way.
sorry to say.
Let
I'm
me
trying to
regen.
help you. Just that. Oh, the one has a hammer. Get rid of the actual players and big ones. Those are annoying.
I know. Am I staying
Oh, and
alive?
there's just a whole pack chasing me.
Get wrecked!
If I go to level 16, I mean 15,
Come
I'm
on.
good. I have a good gun next round. Yo, you've regenerated a lot of health. You're still not dead. I'm coming towards you, dude.
The
Don't
one
come
in his
towards
back
me
am I
because
just
there's a
ran
huge
into.
pack.
You
You
just
just ran into
combined
the
a
huge
huge
pack.
pack. You combined it.
Yeah.
You literally
Oh, you have a
combined
lot
it.
of big ones.
And I still haven't
I have a lot of
recovered.
little ones.
They're chasing you. And I took like a little bit of it.
Yeah.
So I
There's a guy with
regenerated.
a frying pan. I'm gonna kill him.
I'm about to die.
Yeah, there's a lot. Oh, I have a level 15. That means I could get a good weapon. I have a bat and the SMG, which is really good. I need to wait till next round.
I keep
I'm
leveling
gonna
up.
die. I'm at 5 health. I'm dead.
I'm like at yellow. And yeah, if you're
Nice.
dead, then like I'm pretty much dead because
Oh,
now
there's more
all
than
of
one
them I'm
person.
dead.
There's only one survivor left. I need to. Oh, I could turn into a zombie. Yes. Where is he? Where's this dude at?
We're back and we
Boom,
play
boom,
Pokemon Go.
boom. Bling, blong, boom, bling, 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 blong, bling.
Bling blong bling blong.
Where do you have the? Oh no, cause you have the SMG too.
Yeah.
You
And for like the
should
thing,
have the assault
for my
rifle.
secondary, I
You're
have
so
the.
close.
For the secondary, I have a frying pan.
I have the baseball bat because I still can't get the frying pan.
This might be the last thing, cause these
Yeah,
rounds are
that's
pretty
right.
long.
These rounds are pretty long, yeah. Alright, I
I
have a
like my
good gun now.
SMG. I like this. Like you can shoot instantly.
Yeah.
I do better
This
at
is a better
pistols.
gun.
I do better.
Just a little bit of damage, but it's better.
I don't know why, but I do better at third person.
Third person.
Yeah.
I don't like this gun either that much. It shoots fast. It does a little bit of damage.
Yeah.
I
But
need
the
like
pistol
the assault
is
rifle
the
or something.
pistol actually the best? I swear.
Right. For now, the pistol is the best.
I might have to go back to the
And the worst
pistol.
is the shotgun.
Yeah. Literally.
I like the worst one ever. I'm bringing zombies towards you. I repeat, I need backup. This thing does like 1 damage.
For real.
Oh! Oh no. I got hit a lot. There. These guys. Oh no, they're stuck.
I'm zooming all the way out. I have a huge pack coming for me and I have a bad gun. There's a guy with a hammer.
Oh, watch out. There's a big thing there. Oh,
I'm
I'm
dead.
coming towards you. Watch out, watch out. I'm wrecking them
I'm
too.
good on health, so
Trying to help a little bit.
me too.
I'm like a yellowish greenish. I'm at 64. I'm not doing that bad. This amethyst one is not gonna die for a little bit. Where the heck did you go? I almost got wrecked. Okay, now I'm at yellow. So this new BAM! Now
Frying pan time.
fix that.
It's frying pan time, boy. It's frying pan
Oh,
time.
baseball! Home run! Oh, I got wrecked. I didn't know
I'm
I was
getting
that
wrecked, I
low.
repeat. It's back to the gun
Let's
time.
go, you're on orange.
And I don't know where I'm going. But I'm still shooting from a
Yo,
good
you're about to
angle.
run into a tree.
Oh no! They brought it towards me, you dumb peasant. Why'd you do that? Why me? They just brought it towards me. What the heck?
I'm coming
Oh!
towards you. I have a rolling pin. Oh,
I'm
you dead? I
get
think I'm gonna
wrecked.
wreck you, and yeah, you got wrecked.
Yeah, because that
That
dumb
was a lot.
peasant brought it towards me.
That dumb ball.
Now I wanna turn into a
How you
zombie.
say? How you say it? That dumb bubble gum.
That bubblegum dum dum looking at.
One more round. Why am I chasing the pistol?
Oh no! Crap.
Oh, I'm good. I changed.
Alright. I'm good.
Oh, honestly, I didn't like that other gun. I would just wait till the assault rifle. Or yes, I missed this gun. The normal pistol. What do you have?
Pistol.
The pistol? Now this is where you're probably gonna hear a clicking. Now this is a good gun right here. Right behind you. Get wrecked. Oh, there's more.
See?
See how
You're doing
fast this
better.
thing kills? Look, blah, 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 blah. Get wrecked.
It's frying pan
I'll
time.
stand on this rock.
Yay!
Alright, right
Yay!
there. Baseball, home run! Baseball. I see DirtyCarpet. He looks like a zombie. Then we just wrecked that thing fast. Dum dum bubblegum.
Oh no.
I'm gonna go inside this thing. What? Oh, me. As long as we work together for pistols, we're good.
Should we stay together?
Yeah.
Let's stay together. Unless we like get
Both of our
back
pistols together do a lot of damage.
and
Oh, I'm getting wrecked.
fast
Right
damage.
behind.
It's frying pan time.
Right here, they're coming towards us. Baseball. Baseball.
Aaron Judge.
Baseball.
Just kidding.
Baseball.
Aaron Judge is bad in the second half. Like literally. They better not call me again because it says that they're online. So yeah, get ready
Right.
for a call.
They think group chat always calling us, and every single time we're recording, honestly.
Yeah, like it
our
doesn't,
luck.
when we're not busy, it doesn't happen.
I know. And then of course we go to recording, and then like
When is it frying
recording,
pan time?
huh?
Now
They're
it's
coming.
frying pan time.
Baseball. Oh, this guy! I'm shooting him. I don't want to get hit by him.
He's getting wrecked. Oh no, this
Oh,
is
there's a lot of big ones.
It's
I've
frying
lost
pan
my
time
group.
right here though.
I'm together with a whole stack. Don't come, boy.
Oh,
You're
no.
dead. I'll help you.
Get right! That was a bad idea.
I'm stuck. Oh, I'm almost dead. I brought him to you because I was trying to help you, and then we got wrecked. Well, I'm almost wrecked.
I'm coming to y'all now.
Oh no. Alright, I'll be a zombie.
Me too. Let's get this guy. This nub.
Oh, it's
This
ready for
peasant.
gonna get him.
Let's get this Donald Trump hair looking ass. Get racked.
Let's go.
Get racked, Donald Trump hair looking ass. I'm about to get this. Get
Wallaby.
racked.
Is
We're
this
just
you?
roasting it.
Are you jumping?
This-
Oh, I'm gonna cut him off through here.
Make him jump.
Dum dum bum bum. Oh, I cut him off. He's dead. I killed him. Let's
Okay,
go.
there's one more.
Oh, there's one more. Oh, he has one health.
Let's just
What's his
follow
name? Juan.
Juan Mari.
Juan.
Juan
It's
Mari,
Juan.
you are not the father.
Wow, we wrecked him. That was easy.
Okay guys, we're gonna wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to be notified every time I make an upload. The best video ever is coming up tomorrow because we